case between Johnny Depp and Amber Heard keeps getting crazier, and apparently there's proof that Amber Heard is faking her injuries. So let's get right to it. Johnny Depp versus Amber Heard defamation trial has been going on for almost 4 weeks now, and fans are going crazy about it. While this lawsuit is supposed to center on whether Johnny was defamed in the 2018 article that Amber Heard wrote, a lot of the trial is focused on the details of Johnny and Amber's marriage. Fans have been so suspicious with Amber Heard and have found many inconsistencies with her stories. And now there are allegations that Amber faked her injuries to ruin Johnny Depp. At the beginning of the trial, during the opening statement, one of Amber's lawyers said Amber used makeup to cover up her bruises throughout her relationship with Johnny, which was between 2012 to 2016. Amber's lawyer did not reveal the specific brand or kit that was used, but it looks like the makeup that was shown is the Milani Cosmetics Conceal and Perfect All-in-One Correcting Kit. However, Milani Cosmetics released a TikTok and exposed Amber. They revealed that this makeup that Amber allegedly used to cover her bruises between 2012 to 2016 was not released until 2017, so it was released right after their divorce. In 2016, Amber and Johnny had a fight at their penthouse and police officers were called. During the trial, the officers testified that they saw no marks on Amber's face after a fight Johnny and Amber had in 2016. 6 days after the fight, Amber was seen going to the Los Angeles courthouse to apply for a temporary restraining order against Johnny, with a visible mark on her face in which she said it was caused by Johnny during their fight. During the trial, the police officers said when they arrived they had no idea who Amber was or that she was married to Johnny Depp, and they revealed that they saw Amber crying, but there were no visible signs of injury. They added that neither Amber nor anyone was willing to tell the officers who her husband was, so an officer made a follow-up visit that night and also testified that he saw no injuries, while being no closer than 10 feet from Amber. The internet went crazy over this and called Amber a liar because this is good evidence that she was lying. Not only did the officers testify seeing no injuries, but many other witnesses also testified seeing no injuries on Amber Heard. Isaac Baruch, who is Johnny's childhood friend and witnessed a fight in their marriage, testified that Amber faked her injuries to blackmail Johnny Depp. Isaac said that after the fight he saw Amber about 12 inches away and she had clear skin and did not see a single bruise or any redness marks. Isaac then testified saying this:
"What I am is tired, and I want this all to end. Her to go heal, him to go heal. So, so many people have been affected by this malicious lie that she started and she created, and it's gone out the door and around the world. And so I can't even paint anymore. I've stopped painting for the last who knows how many years, and that's affected by stuff. I'm not angry at anybody. I want the best for her to take her responsibility, heal, and move on. And for Johnny, his family has been completely wrecked by all of this stuff, and it's not fair. It's not right what she did and what happened for so many people to get affected from this. It's insane.
And Mr. Baruch?
That's how this happened."
Johnny also claimed that he recalled Amber flat out lied about breaking her nose during one of their altercation. He began by explaining how Amber once confronted him in his office and proceeded to say that Johnny broke her nose during their fight. He recalls Amber saying, "Way to go, Johnny, you broke my nose." However, Johnny later admits to having crept inside her bathroom and pulled the Kleenex out of the trash bin. He explained that he inspected it pretty closely and realized it was nail polish, not blood. Yeah. Amber showed the jury shocking photos to back up her claim that Johnny was the abuser in the relationship. Amber Heard takes the stand, and she remembered many unpleasant incidences in her relationship with Johnny throughout her testimony, including the first time he reportedly struck her. She explained the fight they had in December 15, 2015, where Johnny allegedly busted her lip, gave her a black eye, and pulled her hair. Amber showed photos in court of the bald spot on her head, where the hair was allegedly pulled out, and the black eye. Amber's former nurse Erin Filati testified in a pre-recorded deposition and told the court that Amber sent her pictures of her face with red marks, and the court was shown the pictures. It was also shown to the jury her nursing notes in which it says, Amber had experienced increasing anxiety per report from Johnny and had an outburst of anger and rage. It also says in Filati's medical notes from September 2, 2014, she wrote that Amber reported difficulty with jealousy issues and anxiety around fiancés, fame, and ability to interact with females often. Her notes also says she visited Amber on December 17, 2015, to deliver medication, and Amber looked sad and recounted an argument she had with Johnny. And it says she saw that she had bright red blood on her lower lip that Amber told her was sustained during their fight. And in her notes it says she had also lost clumps of hair. While these pictures are legitimate pieces of evidence, several people seem to think that these photos shown in court are fake. Fans took to social media, and here are what people had to say. The quality of everything is very different. Much sharper second photo. First one, camera seems out of focus. She must have taken a sequence of photos at the same time. Another person who is a professional photographer wrote, I am a professional photographer/retoucher. The second image has extremely edited highlights/shadows, sharpening, and color balance. Those quote-unquote bruises have no texture detail, completely fake. Someone on Amber's team had admitted that these photos had been modified in the past with editing software. Someone on Twitter wrote, if I remember right, all the pictures she submitted were stored on a file that alters pictures, so there's no information as to when they were taken or where all the normal information that when you click on details comes up. Well, there's nothing on these, but they are still admitted. Another user responded and said, yep, she was ordered in November 21st to have the metadata reviewed. She did, but the dates were from 1970. Sus. When Depp's team tried again to get the data, she ignored them. A motion was filed in March. I too wonder why these are being shown. Maybe under cross or closing. Another thing people caught was that in the photo, the calendar behind her says January or February 2015, not December 15 when the altercation happened. The day after the alleged fight, where she stated she had 2 black eyes, a broken nose, hair ripped out, and a bruised fat lip from being hit. Amber went on the James Corden's The Late Late Show. And although she is wearing makeup, you can't see the swollen bump on her lip and swollen eyes. Amber's stylist Samantha McMillan testified when Johnny was suing The Sun, and according to her, Amber lied. She said in a witness statement that she spent much of the afternoon and early evening of December 16, 2015 with Amber as she prepared to appear on James Corden's The Late Late Show. She said she could see clearly that Amber had no marks, cuts, or bruises. She added, after the show, Miss Heard said to me, can you believe I just did that show with 2 black eyes? Miss Heard did not have any black eyes and had been visibly uninjured throughout the day and at that moment. One Twitter user who believed Amber faked her injuries wrote, Amber Heard faked her injuries using makeup, and I believe she used ice to burn her face. This woman clearly planned her move. Another user wrote, so you're telling me Johnny Depp managed to convince the house manager, cleaners, a psychologist, a marriage counselor, security, the police, a nurse, Amber's own personal assistant, friends and colleagues to all lie for him under oath. No one saw Amber Heard with any bruises. Yikes. Fans aren't the only one that had something to say. Johnny's legal team made a statement and called Amber Heard's testimony the performance of her life. It says, as Mr. Depp's counsel correctly predicted in their opening statements last month, Miss Heard did indeed deliver the performance of her life in her direct examination. The statement read, while Miss Heard's stories have continued to grow new and convenient details, Mr. Depp's recollections have remained exactly the same throughout the 6 painful years since her first allegations were made. His truth, the truth, is the same no matter the environment in which it has been presented. The upcoming cross-examination from Mr. Depp's team will be most telling, and will certainly highlight the many fallacies Miss Heard has now attempted to pass off as fact throughout her convoluted testimony. What are your thoughts on all of this? Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss another upload. And I'll talk to you guys in my next video.